I'm Chris Darcy.
Good, nice.
What's your name?
Vic, nice to meet you.
Come on out here for me. You're under arrest.
After the FBI identified Victor Barakat as a suspect in a bank robbery investigation, Joliet police officers set up surveillance outside his residence and waited for confirmation that he was still inside before moving in to make contact.
Hey, you guys mind going inside or wherever? Please. Thank you. Appreciate you. Hey, let me know if the light comes on or anything.
What's up? You're still on 3, right? You're still on 3?
Yep, we got a kitchen. Looks like a big kitchen on the top left window. Just turned on. Nothing else. That kitchen light just turned off.
Sorry, Darcy.
Hey, go inside, man.
Okay, alright.
Lights on, guys. It's our target. Target's coming down.
Yeah, it's a target. Suspect on the door.
I'm just gonna talk. Hey, it's the police department. We need to talk to you. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. I'm Chris Darcy.
Good, nice
What's
to
your
meet
name?
you. Vic, nice to meet you.
Come on out here for me. You're under arrest. Put your hands behind.
Gun. Hold him. Guns out. Put your hand behind his back.
Ma'am, show me your hands.
You got it. Someone on the shoulder.
55.
Little did the officers know that Victor was about to do something stupid again.
Oh, there's 2 jackets
But I
here.
was just telling him, no, it's 1 jacket. But I was just saying, so he said, we're going to search it, see there's nobody in there, you check there's nobody in there, I should be allowed to go back in my apartment. You don't even have search warrant like you said right now. So I should be able to go in there.
No, you're not going back in.
Dude, I'm not part of anything. I just want to be in my freaking room.
You're not going back in
I
your
want
house.
to be in my room and call my brother.
Let me explain something to you.
Victor, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, you injured at all?
Yeah, my right shoulder.
Your right shoulder?
Yes.
Have you?
Okay, what are you going to
We're
explain?
applying for a search warrant.
Your house
Then,
is being
sir,
sold.
so shouldn't you have it before walking in somebody's house like this?
Ma'am, can I talk to you?
Yeah, I've been talking to everybody here.
Okay, well, I'm the sergeant in charge of this.
Okay, well, can I at least get my phone to call my family?
Not right now.
Are you fucking serious?
If you want, one of these officers will go get it if you tell them where it's
But
at.
if I knew where it was at, I don't remember. It's probably in my room in the little last room in the back.
No, I'm sorry, we're not going to let you back up there.
Well, I'm just telling him. I'm telling him that my phone's in the back.
I understand that. Do you want him to go look for it?
Yes, please.
What does it look like?
It has a cord hanging. It should be on, all the way in the back.
Your right shoulder?
Yes.
Have you had an injury to your right shoulder
Yes.
before?
Hey, reach for my gun.
Victor, stop it. Victor,
What?
listen to me. You gotta stop.
My shoulder!
Get down.
My shoulder!
Relax.
You broke my shoulder!
Okay.
Once again, Victor attempted to attack an officer, which led to another charge for him.
Okay, relax. You guys don't be reaching for a cop's gun. You hear me?
Yes.
Stop it. It's all over. Stop it. Okay?
Okay.
Do you need an ambulance?
Yes, my shoulder hurts.
Okay, no more of these shenanigans. Do you understand me?
All right.
Because that's how people get hurt. So knock it off.
Have Gonzalez and Bark right up.
Yeah, it's fine. Door on the left.
All hurts. They fucking hit me in the ground.
Yeah, they'll get it checked out at the hospital. Your airway's clear. There's not much we could do for a broken tooth here anyway, okay?
Right.
Yeah, he's heading out.
Oh, my arm!
west from 4144.
We're leaving those on, right?
My right arm is killing me. Look at my skin, the holes in my arm from that fucking cuff. This is abuse, man. My arm is hurting and you keep holding it to the right. Why are you holding it to the right?
The right one is the one that's hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah, just do
this
cuff the
hand.
left to the left rail. Since his right arm is the one that's messed up.
Yeah, cuff this to
Victor Barakat was ultimately charged with 2 counts of attempted first-degree murder, 2 counts of unlawful possession of a weapon by a felon, 1 count of disarming a peace officer, 2 counts of aggravated assault, along with federal bank robbery charges tied to the Fifth Third bank robbery investigation. Prosecutors alleged Barakat pointed a handgun at Sergeant Christopher Darcy and pulled the trigger during the struggle, before later attempting to grab Officer Alan Pina's holstered firearm after being handcuffed. He was later held in federal custody while a Will County judge set his bond at $2.5 million.